Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Villafranco, the founder of Osmia, and I am here to introduce you to another product we have been secretly working on behind the scenes for a couple of years. It's our Purely Calm Gel Toner, and it's everything you never knew you wanted in a toner. The thing is, I've never really understood liquid toners, right? You put it on your face with a cotton ball and throw most of the product away on the cotton ball, or you apply it to your skin and it evaporates immediately, which can actually dry your skin out in the long run. I wanted to create a toner that sticks around for a minute, giving enough time for the active ingredients to penetrate and absorb into your skin. If you've been a fan of our active gel toner, then you're already on board with the gel toner concept. The Purely Calm Gel Toner has many of the same active ingredients, but it's in a finer gel structure that penetrates the skin more easily and can work for more skin types. Sometimes it's hard to know if you even need a toner in your routine. For this product, I would say the answer is yes if your skin feels dry, if your skin is inflamed or upset with you, or if you're just looking to plump things up. At age 47, I'll take all the plumping I can get. So let me show you how to use the Purely Calm Gel Toner. First, wash your face. Then pat your face dry with a clean towel and apply 1 pump of the Purely Calm Gel Toner. Truly, this is plenty to cover your entire face and your neck. The texture is super smooth, and we don't use any essential oils in this product, so it's okay to go over the eyes, and you won't notice much of a scent at all. And that's it. For some people, this may be enough moisture to last you throughout the day. Or you can follow it with your favorite Osmia face serum or your Purely Simple face cream. So how does Purely Calm Gel Toner do all of those things we just talked about? It does it with the help of a few very carefully selected active ingredients. To hydrate the skin, we use hyaluronic acid, which is also present in your skin naturally but decreases with age, and we use an apple extract that helps draw moisture to your skin throughout the day. To calm your skin, we use oats, which are known for their calming, soothing capabilities. We use white tea, which is antioxidant rich, and we use a caper extract, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory. And to support your skin's health, we use aloe, an oldie but a goodie. It really helps with collagen support and collagen cross-linking so that the collagen in your skin is as healthy as it can be. And we use vitamin B3, which is known as niacinamide, and it increases microcirculation and supports collagen as well.